Hi, College and Career Success. This is your week 1 lecture video. So in week 1, it is not necessarily a chapter content. As you can see, if I click into week 1, this is just an introductory week. So in all of the rest of the weeks, weeks 2 through the end of the semester, you will have an authentic lecture video. It will cover a chapter, the contents, a PowerPoint, like all of that. This is just an introductory week, an introductory section that is going to just kind of make sure that you are accustomed to Blackboard, getting familiarized with the expectations, with how to navigate, the textbook, all of that. So the first thing I will do is just remind you that in the Start Here section, there is your welcome video. So by the time you view this, you will have your Spring 2023 welcome video uploaded here. I also would have sent it out to you in a link in an email. So if you have not watched that already, I really do encourage you to go ahead and watch that video, as it's going to introduce you to everything you need to know about navigation, the course expectations, the syllabus, and so on. Also, remember to look through the rest of the Start Here section as it goes through some beginning of the semester resources, especially your syllabi, my welcome, and the textbook link there. Up here, I'm going to go back into our lessons area. In the welcome video, I did talk to you about that Muddy Point forum, so please make sure to utilize that. That is open all semester long. This is where you would go to post a question as if you were raising your hand in class, and anyone can answer that question. So not just myself, but if anyone can help fill you in if you have a question or you can't find something, anyone can post in that forum and anyone can answer questions in that forum. If you have a very individual question, please make sure you use course messages or send me an email in my Stark State email. There again is another link to your textbook access. And as I mentioned in the welcome video, here's your student services assignment. Whenever they do have the offerings for spring semester, I will alert you of that, and I will go into more detail about those expectations, the options, and how to submit your certificate of completion whenever you are finished with that week. So here's where your week 1 videos will be housed. The video that you're watching right now will be housed inside here, as well as your week 1 assignment folder. So if I click into week 1, which by the time you watch this video, these folders will be brightened. They will be open since they're scheduled to open January 17th. You can click in. All the weeks are set up just like this. So that is what's very nice, is once you get used to one format, it's very similar. So you're going to have an overview. It's going to tell you like, hey, this is what this week is going to cover. Here's what you need to review. Here's what you're completing, and here's what's coming up. So this is just a snapshot of the week. Then the materials folder is going to contain just what it sounds like it's going to contain, the materials that you need for the week. So in here, there's some information, some resources about online learning, some commonly accessed student resources. So right here, some couple pages. I also showed you in the welcome video over on My Stark State under info for current students that there's a whole list of different resources here that you are welcome to access, and that we will talk about a lot of these throughout the semester. So the materials folder will be helpful for you in all the weeks with chapter links, with PowerPoints, and so I will talk about that within each week as well. You will have an assignment related to Title IX, so you are welcome to click that. It's going to open up into a PDF. You can also kind of click on it if you want it to open up in a separate window. And this is Title IX. I will encourage you in the assignment video to even have this up and running as you go through the assignment that's connected to this. Then inside the week 1 folder, you will also have the assignments where the actual work will be housed. And so I will go into more detail about each of these inside the week 1 assignment video in particular. So this is just considered your lecture for the week. It's nothing too heavy. It's just making sure like, hey, continue to get familiarized with the course. In week 2, this is when the actual lectures will start. As you can see, week 2 is all about chapter 1. So we will start really looking at the textbook, the slides, and you'll have more of a traditional lecture for that week. All right, make sure you check back in the week 1 videos for your week 1 assignments so you know exactly what is expected of you to complete this week. Bye.